Hey my yumsters. Today I'm gonna make two videos, but the first video I'm going to show you guys how I make my spinach bacon breakfast quiche. Let's get into it. Okay, so you want to start off with, I have here two pre-made deep dish pie shells, and they're already thawed, and we're going to bake these for 12 minutes on 400. What I'm going to do is, I don't like to prick my pie crust, so you have two options. I usually put a piece of parchment paper in the pie crust. Okay, so I use either, you can use weights, pie crust weights, and I just fill it up. And this prevents the pie shell from puffing up. Or fired black-eyed pea, always use these as pie weights as well. I'm gonna place these on a cookie sheet and place them in the oven for 12 minutes. All right, so we're gonna start by sauteing the spinach. I'm gonna use about 2 cups of spinach, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. This will be enough for 2 quiches. While the spinach is cooking, we're going to use 8 slices of turkey bacon. You just spread these out on a plate, and we're going to put these in the microwave for 8 minutes and 30 seconds. So basically, it's a minute per slice plus additional 30 seconds. Just want to add some Morton's Nature Seasons to the spinach. All right, and you just remove it from the heat and let it cool off. We're going to use 8 eggs. We're gonna add some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, a little bit of Nature Seasons, splash of milk, and mix well. All right, once you scramble the eggs, we're gonna add 3 slices of yellow American cheese. Just break it up. I'm using Sargento 2 slices of provolone cheese. Okay, and set that aside. Okay, the bacon is done, nice and crispy. And you're just gonna take your hands and just crush it. To me, turkey bacon does not have a lot of flavor, but once you put it in the microwave and you make it crispy like this, it just brings out a whole different level of taste to me. That's what I feel. Now we're gonna set this aside. I took the pie crust out. I'm letting them cool. So in the meantime, while those are cooling down, I have adjusted the oven to 350. I've added some chopped chives and some parsley. So let's assemble the quiche. I'm gonna put half of the spinach in each one, just right on top of the crust. Gonna pour the egg mixture right on top. Make sure you get that cheese in there. We're gonna top it off with some cheese, shredded cheese, any kind of your choice. Now top it off with the bacon crumbles. All right, you're gonna place this in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. And now for the taste test. The crust is so flaky that it's falling apart. Like, oh, I can just smell the chives. Have a bite. Let's see the cheese and the spinach. My family can't get enough of this quiche. They love it so much. I have to make a minimum of 2 each time I make it. Oh, it is so cheesy. Look at the cheese. Look. You get a bite of the bacon, the spinach, the chives, the cheese, the crust. Oh. Another thumbs up. Make sure you guys please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Share it out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.